Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to add an email to your iPhone 13 Pro. First, go to your Settings app and then go down to Mail. Here, go to Accounts and then go to Add Account. The easiest account to add is a Google account. From here, just add your Google account information. I already have a Google account saved in my phone, so I'll use that. It should automatically put in my password. And now you can select which services your email is connected to. And now the account has been added. And that is how to add an email account on the iPhone 13 Pro.